51. Plantain, 1 serving equals 81 g 125 ml. High in potassium 378 mg per serving. Source of vitamin C 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6 11% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 4 mg per serving. Fat free 0.2 g per serving. 52. Plums. A plum has 30 calories. Plums are a source of vitamin C and vitamin K. 1 serving equals 140 g 1 medium. Source of vitamin C 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 53. Pomegranate. A 100 g serving of pomegranate seeds has 83 calories and is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate and fiber and a source of potassium. 1 serving equals 77 g. A half fruit. Source of vitamin C 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin K 16% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 2 mg per serving. Source of fiber 3 g per serving. 54. Prickly pear, 1 serving equals 103 g 1 medium. Very high in magnesium 35% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C 24% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of calcium 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium 227 mg per serving. Source of fiber 3.7 g per serving. 55. Prunes, 1 serving equals 25 g 3 dried fruits. Source of vitamin K 19% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 1 mg per serving. Fat free 0.1 g per serving. 56. Pomelo, 1 serving equals 100 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin C 102% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium 217 mg per serving. Sodium free 1 mg per serving. Fat free 0.04 g per serving. 57. Quince, 1 serving equals 92 g 1 fruit. Source of vitamin C 23% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of copper 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 4 mg per serving. Fat free 0.1 g per serving. 58. Raspberries. A half cup of raspberries has 34 calories. It is a high source of dietary fiber and a source of folate, magnesium and vitamin C. 1 serving equals 80 g. A half cup. Source of vitamin C 25% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 5 g per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. 59. Rhubarb. 1 cup of rhubarb has 26 calories. It is high in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium and manganese. 1 serving equals 125 ml. A half cup. Source of vitamin C 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of calcium 5% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin K 24% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 5.0 g per serving. Sodium free 3 mg per serving. Fat free 0.1 g per serving. 60. Rose apple, 1 serving equals 100 g. High in vitamin C 37% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0.3 g per serving. 61. Sapodilla, 1 serving equals 85 g. A half fruit. Source of vitamin C 21% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin 5% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 4.5 g per serving. 62. Sapote, Mamie, 1 serving equals 113 g. A half fruit. Source of magnesium 14% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin C 38% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fibers 2.9 g per serving. Source of potassium 387 mg per serving. 63. Soursop, 1 serving equals 119 g 125 ml. Source of magnesium 10% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin C 41% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron 7% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 4 g per serving. Source of potassium 330 mg per serving. Fat free 0.4 g per serving. 64. Strawberries. 7 strawberries contain 27 calories. Strawberries are very high in vitamin C and are a source of fiber and folate. 1 serving equals 140 g7 medium. Very high in vitamin C, 150% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 65. Custard-Apple. 1 serving equals 106 g 100 ml. Very high in vitamin C, 64% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B1, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6, 12% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber, 5 g per serving. Fat free 0.3 g per serving. 66. Tamarind. 1 serving equals 100 g. Very high in magnesium, 37% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of phosphorus, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in potassium, 628 mg per serving. 67. Tangerine. A tangerine has 45 calories. It is a source of vitamin C and folate. 1 serving equals 140 g, 1 large, 2 small. Very high in vitamin C, 60% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 68. Watermelon. A half cup 125 ml of watermelon has 24 calories. Watermelon is high in lycopene and a source of vitamin C. 1 serving equals 150 g, 1/12 mini, 1/18 small, 1/28 large, 1 cup diced. Source of vitamin C, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving.